God, Bokoharam, they dislodge us. Oh God, my Lord. Oh God, my Lord. Bokoharam, they pack everything, go.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Wednesday, the 14th day of May 2025. It is alarming that Nigerian soldiers have given up about the fight against insurgency, against Bokoharam, ISWAP, Ndakurawa, Mamuda, all these affiliate terrorists in Nigeria. Now, do they give up directly? I would say yes, because the Nigerian army has come out to say that the drones that the Boko Haram, all these terrorists are using, that they themselves can't detect it, so they can't fight them while they are using the drone. So that is, a direct statement of military that there is no way out about this. Right before now, the ISWAP have promised Nigeria that they are going to take over Nigeria. People say that it's not going to be possible. Nigeria is a sovereign nation. I am looking at them because they don't know what is happening. Now, I am going to reveal to you the controversies surrounding this drone issue in Nigeria. We have information, reportedly, that Iranian drones, about 500 of them. I don't know how much one cost. I don't know, the significance and the effect of one drone. The damage is going to cost, the armed drone I'm talking about. Now, 500 Iranian drones were shipped to Chad. From Chad, they used a helicopter to drop it in Borno State. This thing happened last 2 weeks ago. These are Iranian drones, okay? Now, this in the year 2020, Washington Institute, they reported about Iranian drone being shipped to Ukraine. Now, those drones are just exactly the same with the one they are using in Nigeria. When I got the information, that was last 2 weeks here, I was surprised because I am not seeing the Nigerian military talking about it. So I was just trying to go down to make more investigation about it. Until today, Nigerian army confirms that Boko Haram's use of armed drones in Borno similar to Israeli-Ukrainian types. Now, I want to put it to you that yes, Israel manufactured drones, Ukraine are manufacturing drones. But Nigerian army statement could be 40% correct in the sense that this Iranian drones was in Ukraine and has been in Ukraine since 2020. Yes. So this type of drone they are using against Russia, and this type of drone was used to blow Russia oil and the facilities. And it is very difficult to detect it. Even the Russian radar could not detect this drone. So that is what the Nigerian military now are complaining, that they can no longer fight the insurgents because these drones are not detectable. So they can come and wipe out away any barrack they want to wipe out. Their mission is this. Boko Haram, their intention was not against the civilians. Their intention is capture the military and take over the country. That is their mission. And do you think that this mission will not be possible? Anyway, we are going to discuss that in details. But just look at this. Do you think that with what this military officer is saying, that Nigeria is not over? Take a listen.
God, no mercy. God, Bokoharam, they dislodge us. Oh God, my Lord. Oh God, my Lord. Bokoharam, they pack everything, go. They pack everything, go. It's normal. How do you, sir? Okay, no, sir. Me, I no get load. I dey tell you, I dey go. They bomb our MRAP. They pack everything. They pack everything. See our MRAP here. Oh God. This guy don't get equipment for Maritio. God. Yes, sir. Hi, sir. Kai, see how these guys they do with us. Oh. Kai. See the Boko Haram, they burn our motor all. They pack everything here. See my motor. See my motor. God. I thank God for life. See my motor. See my motor. I thank God for my life. I thank God for my life. See my motor. They burn everywhere. See my motor. Morite is not easy to allow people to do. God. Morite, we lost 4 soldiers. Lost 4 soldiers, flat. God. See our hemorrhage. They burn our hemorrhage. They burn our hemorrhage. They burn our hemorrhage. God, 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 God. So we're never ready to fight. Make una tell us now. Which kind of problem be this one? I lost my regular. Oh God, my Lord. Oh God, my Lord, Mariki. Oh God, my God.
Now, for some of my fans who are writing me about what is happening in Kanu State, where Bello Turji is giving almost 5,000 residents of Kanu people to leave their ancestral land, to leave their villages, or they will be killed. And the army, the government, they are not doing anything. They are keeping quiet. Okay, I will do video about that. The fresh attack in Benue State, they have completely silenced the APC governor there. They threatened to remove him. The governor even come out to say so, that they threatened to remove him because he wanted to talk. They told him that, and then they told him that if you talk, we'll remove you like we stop or top. And your governor will remain mute forever. These are the tactics that they normally use to silence politicians, because politicians love power. But that is not the business of the day. Let us focus on understanding what the Nigerian army said about the use of drone in Nigeria. I tell you, this is a game over for Nigerian security men. This is a game over. They are going to get dislodged from everywhere. And these drones, according to information we got, allegedly is still in Borno area. It has not been deployed or shipped to the southern part, okay? I don't know what the Benin Republic said, that the helicopters are dropping weapons in Kwara State. I don't know the kind of weapon they're dropping, if it is part of the drone, but that is another topic for another day. Now, the operation Handin Kai of the Nigerian Army has expressed concern over the growing use of armed drones by the Bokoharam terrorists in the northeast, warning that such tactics are difficult to detect using conventional radar system. Major General Abdul Salam Abubakar, Theater Commander of Operation Handekai, disclosed this development on Tuesday during briefing in Maiduguri, Borno State. So it was yesterday they disclosed it. The article continues that he explained that some of the drones being deployed by the insurgents are similar to the ones deployed in the countries like Israel and Ukraine. General Abubakar called on the remaining insurgents to surrender and emulate their counterparts who have laid down their arms and are being treated humanely. He warned that those who refuse to surrender face certain elimination. And this is what he said. The terrorists have changed tactics, resorting to multiple pronged attack on isolated and vulnerable deployments. They use these attacks as propaganda. This is why we are reviewing our deployment to counter their evolving strategies, he said. Despite the new challenge, Abubakar said that Nigerian troops remain highly motivated and resilient. But that is not what we are seeing. No. What we are seeing is that Nigerian army are demoralized. They have lost. I mean, the genuine army. We have terrorist armies. We have genuine armies. Not like the repentant Boko Harams who have been missing then, who are taking the arms and running away from the army back to Boko Haram. So that is why their surrender tactics, I condemn it totally. Because I know the game there. How can you say Boko Haram surrendered? You put him into the army and he took the ammunition and he lost, he ran away. So they are playing fools on people that call themselves civilians, because that is not what is really happening on the ground. Now, the article continues that he credited improved welfare package instituted by the military hierarchy for boosting troop morale. And he said, this shows the seriousness with which the government is tackling this conflict. We are confident that in due time, we will achieve complete victory over terrorism, he added. The general also noted significant progress in the fight against insurgency, stating that terrorist activities have been greatly degraded and normalcy has largely returned to the northeast region compared to 5-10 years ago, and this is totally false. This is totally false. All these people, what they are doing is propaganda. If you want to hear the truth, listen to Borno State Governor Zundo. Listen to all these news media from Niger, news media from Chad. These are the only people telling you the truth. How come you are saying that the thing has been degraded? Has Boko Haram used all this air system, both the air defense, drones, helicopter? Has they been using it before? And they are using it now. You are saying that they have been degraded. Okay? Now, speaking on recent development, the theater commander emphasized that warfare involves multiple campaigns, each consisting of coordinated operations aimed at achieving strategic objectives. And he said, in war, you win some and lose some, he said. What matters most is overall balance of success. In just the past week, over 20 terrorists have been neutralized and several weapons recovered. Operations are ongoing on multiple fronts. He noted significant progress in restoring normalcy to conflict-affected communities. Now, let me stop the article here. What they have been saying since 10 years ago is that Bokoharam, in fact, Buhari told Nigerians that Boko Haram has been technically defeated, even when Nigerians don't know that he has a plan B to import more and join the people who are staying there. So for you to understand that Nigerians, all these things, it is just propaganda telling you that they have done this, they have done that. Insecurity is increasing. We are seeing it every day. So there is no need to believe in lies that these people are putting up over there. This is very serious. So stay with me. I am still going to bring you about all these insecurity challenges happening from north to south to Delta State, okay? Because a lot of propaganda has been put into this issue of terrorism. Imagine the people, kidnapping in Delta State, Edo State, all these people, they know them. They are Fulani terrorists. Mahmuda in Kwara State, Boko Haram in Yoruba land, all those people. But immediately it comes to the southeast, even though Boko Haram bomb cars, all those things, they will change it to IPOB. Why? Because Nigeria don't want a section to leave the country. They don't want that agitation. So they paint everything that comes out from the area to the group that are agitating. But these are lies. These are lies we know. Anyway, what do I know, Seth? Let me know what you think about this video. I am Okochapi myself, talking reality out of issues. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do. Share our videos to people you know that we understand it. Because it's not everybody to understand what we do here. Thanks for watching.